This is for educational use only. Our group is allowing our instructor, Mr. Manolo Miguel Valenzuela, to use this as an educational material. Good day, everyone. I am Ralph Larusa. Today, I'll be discussing an essential yet often overlooked aspect of maintenance and repair, which is post-emergency repair evaluation. Why post-emergency repair evaluation it matters? Emergency repairs are critical for resolving immediate issues and restoring functionality. However, stopping at the emergency fix alone can be risky. That's where post-emergency evaluations come in. This follow-up process is essential to ensure that the system is not only operational but also safe, stable, and reliable. By truly assessing the reaper after the fact, we help prevent future failures, protect our infrastructure, and reinforce confidence in the repair process. Why it involves a proper post-emergency repair evaluation includes a comprehensive inspection and testing of the repair system. We check to confirm that the repair was performed correctly and that no additional issues have been introduced. The evaluation also ensures the system is fully ready to return to normal operation, minimizing risk and supporting long-term performance. In summary, post-emergency repair evaluation are vital step in any repair process. They validate the quality of emergency fixes, enhance system safety, and reduce the chance to repeat problems. Taking this extra step is a smart investment in operational reliability and peace of mind. Purpose of evaluation. Why post-emergency repair evaluation matters. Emergency repairs are often rapid and focuses on immediate threats. However, this doesn't always guarantee long-term safety or performance. That's why follow-up evaluation is necessary. This process helps ensure the system is not just functional but also safe, stable, and ready for ongoing use. It helps reduce the risk of repeat failures and builds confidence in the repair's effectiveness. What the evaluations includes, a proper post-emergency repairs evaluation involves testing the system to verify that emergency fix was successful, inspecting for new or secondary issues that may have arisen during or, or after the initial failures, assessing readiness to return to normal operation without added risk. Purpose of evaluation. The, the post-repair evaluation serves several critical purposes. Confirm confirm reaper success is to ensure the emergency fix fully resolve the original issue. Prevent further damage is to detect hidden or secondary damage that may not have been abused during the emergency. Restore system integrity to ensure the entire system can function safely and effectively. Ensure compliance to meet all relevant safety, operational, and regulatory standards. Key evaluation to be conducted. A. Visual inspection. Purpose to look for obvious signs of improper repair, damage, or unsafe conditions. What to check? Leaks, fluid or air, misaligned parts, burn marks, rust or corrosion, loose bolts, nuts or seals. Example, after a pump repair, inspect seals and joints for leaks or cracks.